What's going on, everyone? Hayden Davidson here. Hope you are doing well. Let me know in the comments how you're doing. It has been a whirlwind of the last month, hasn't it? I mean, we've seen the difference we've seen the updated stock quantities. We've seen algorithms go all over the place. We've seen some major price tanking. And now, I don't know about your stores, let me know in the comments, but now I'm seeing a rise in profit. I'm seeing sellers dropping off because they're selling out stock to reduce their limits. And now we're seeing our limits being increased more. And it's actually, overall, I think, it's actually helping sellers because the profit's going up, because it means that the big boy sellers or the big girl sellers that are getting 40p an item profit and doing 30,000 items a month, they're having to be cancelled or reduced, and they're being forced to find and sell more items that are more profitable. So, by the way, if I'm a little bit red, it's because I just got out of the gym. Not just red, sweaty. I was in the steam room and the sauna, and I sort of felt really dizzy, so I had to sit outside for a bit and sort of have a little bit of a chill out. Anyway, so it's been a whirlwind. It's been an absolute whirlwind of the last month, and but for me, let me know in the comments below. My sales are staying really consistent. They're staying really nice. It's good to see. I now think that these limits, you know, I did a video a few days ago on this, but now things are a little bit more clear. It looks like it's definitely not the end of FBA or anything like that. I didn't think it was, but I was a little bit worried about this. I think it's actually a really good thing now, these stock limits, and let me just explain why. Because for what I just said about the big sellers not being able to just destroy listings anymore, not with FBA anyway. Obviously, they can still do seller fulfilled prime from their warehouses and stuff, but I think that's okay. You know, if they're willing to do thousands of items from their own warehouse or unit each month, then that's fine. Then they sort of deserve to be able to sell as many thousands of items as they want. But there's not going to be that many of them that are willing to put in the work to do that. And most of them are probably wholesale or doing brand deals anyway. So in terms of OA, I think these new stock limits are actually a really good thing. And I'm really excited for the next 6 months, and especially Q4 on Amazon this year. I'm really excited. I think this has made the business more stable. It's made online arbitrage more stable. It's made retail arbitrage more stable. In some ways, no, I'm not going to speak for wholesale because I don't do it. It wouldn't be right for me to say it. But in general, OA, RA, this has made things. This has made the level that we're playing at. It's made the playing field much more level, and I am super excited. It makes the business feel so much more stable, don't you think? Let me know in the comments. The business feels so much more stable. I just hope that these stock limits do carry on, and it'll be nice if we could gradually prove to Amazon our reliability, and then they gradually increase our limits. I hope that they don't just give it a free-for-all anymore, because it's nice, because it quite frankly, it gives people more of a chance. But I do hope for new sellers that they increase their limits quite nicely and consistently, so that they're not so that they're not being suffocated on their growth at the same time. So anyway, I thought I'd just do a little quick update there. I think the future's looking really positive. Obviously, as I say, the only issue I can see for new sellers is the fact that they're going to have to wait and keep pushing up their limits. But hopefully that's going to be... Obviously, we have to see how that goes, but I think that will be okay. But hey, on the upside, we've got more profit coming from each item. Therefore, more profit and net profit at the end of each month. So we're going to have to see how things go. But all in all, I think it looks, for the people that are already selling, it looks really positive. For the people that are just starting selling, we don't know what the future is going to be like, but the profit per item looks like it could be rising. So, but yeah, in terms of scaling it big, that's what we need to figure out. You know, what's going to happen with that in terms of the limit increases and the quantities, the restock quantities that are going to be allowed moving forward. So. But who knows? There's obviously still the potential for people that are really serious about it and they don't want to put all their eggs in the sort of FBA basket. There's no reason that sellers couldn't scale this business doing MF or seller fulfilled prime from their own house, their unit, or a warehouse. So few obstacles, as there always is on Amazon, but I just wanted to sort of do a quick update there. My thoughts and opinions on the last month, which has been a crazy month on Amazon. And yeah, make sure you please like video, subscribe or whatever if you don't mind, if you've enjoyed this. And I look forward to seeing you all very, very soon. Thanks everyone. Love you all. See you later.